Want to make your Roblox level look 10 times better in just a few minutes? Let me show you my favorite stylized settings combination that instantly gives your map a clean cartoon and anime-inspired look. First, open the toolbox and search for an anime sky. Insert one that you like, and you'll immediately notice a much more colorful and stylized atmosphere. After adding it, go into the lighting service and remove everything inside except for the new skybox you just added. This gives us a clean setup to work with. Next, let's improve the colors. Inside lighting, add a color correction effect. Set the brightness to 0.05, contrast to 0.1, and saturation to 0.15. These small adjustments help the colors pop without looking too overwhelming. Now select lighting itself and change a few important properties. Set ambient to 212, 170, 240. Change brightness to 2. Set color shift top to 206, 182, 129. Set environment specular scale to 0.3. Change outdoor ambient to 128, 102, 153. Set clock time to 14 and geographic latitude to 40. For the fog, set fog color to 203, 173, 255, and fog end to 2800. Already the lighting should look much softer and more stylized. Now let's work on the ground. Select your base plate and change its color to black. Set reflectance to 0.05 for a subtle shine. Open the toolbox again and import a free texture pack. Find a texture you like, copy its texture ID, and paste it onto the base plate texture. To make the texture blend better with the stylized look, increase the studs per tile value to 100. This creates a cleaner and larger texture pattern across the map. You can also adjust your roads by changing their color and slightly increasing both reflectance and transparency. This helps them fit the overall cartoon aesthetic and gives them a smoother appearance. And that's it. With just a few lighting tweaks, a stylized skybox, and some simple texture changes, your Roblox map can instantly look more polished, colorful, and professional. Try experimenting with different skyboxes and textures to create your own unique style. If this helped improve your game, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Roblox building tips.